This is code.org, and we're prompting for colors. With prompts, let's see, you can actually ask the user for a color and use it later in the program. Oh, this is going to be cool. This program has been started for you. What's it do? Nothing. Way to disappoint. All right. Read the code below carefully. Add a prompt for the variable called color. All right, so far we make a star, hello star, and then when color, oh, but this doesn't even exist yet, notice. However, when color is answered, set the background. All right, so right off the bat, I know we have a variable, but it never gets filled in. All right, so this code isn't going to be running. It doesn't get filled in. It doesn't even exist, color. So let's head over to world, and I want to prompt, right? Prompt the user, what is a cool color? Right? And then what is this going to be assigned to? I have to tell the computer, okay, once they answer this, it's going to go in here. It's going to be going into the variable color. And that's why this will automatically run. Now, what's super cool about this is we're using the color as the variable, right? So usually you could do something like this, right? And it would set it to black. However, we can also do words. And that word will be whatever color's typed in. I'll say red. Oh, that's so cool. One more time. Red. Purple. No, I didn't get to see it. Oh, was I not fast enough? Yeah! Victory! That's super cool. Responsive. Onward.